Hello. In this video, we'll introduce you to the rich history and traditional flavors of South Korea. Known for its captivating history and breathtaking natural beauty, South Korea is equally famous for its delectable traditional dishes, each carrying a unique cultural significance. Kimchi, Korea's national treasure. Kimchi, Korea's national dish, is a delicious fermented vegetable made primarily from cabbage. As we explore the different types of kimchi and its intricate preparation, you'll see why it holds a special place in the hearts of Koreans and serves as an essential part of their culinary heritage. Bulgogi, a sizzling flavor extravaganza. Bulgogi, a mouth-watering dish of thinly sliced meat marinated in a special sauce and grilled to perfection, is a feast for the senses. Often served on special occasions or to impress guests, bulgogi remains an irreplaceable part of Korean cuisine. Bibimbap, colorful and nutritious harmony. Bibimbap, a harmonious blend of various vegetables, meat, and egg over a bed of rice, is a colorful and nutritious delight. Its meticulous arrangement and the art of mixing the ingredients create an unforgettable experience for both the eyes and taste buds. A true healthy indulgence. A sweet journey through Korean desserts. For the sweet tooth enthusiasts, South Korea is a haven of colors and flavors. From innovative desserts to traditional sweets, there's something to suit every palate. A journey through South Korea's dessert world is an opportunity to witness the artistry of sweet delights. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey through South Korea. Its captivating history and mouth-watering dishes await your discovery. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting adventures. Until next time, farewell.